Well, there is a rain respite in Delhi NCR, but delayed monsoons. And of course, when we speak of the monsoons, it's been raining continuously since the last 24 hours. And again, the IMD has issued an alert for the next 12 hours instead. And what we are now looking at, the pictures that have been coming in, is no different. When we speak of different cities, these pictures, however, seems to be similar, especially during peak rainfall. The tree that is now fallen at the Raja Dheer Sen Marg, and this is outside the National Heart Institute in the east of Kailash in South Delhi. And because of this, we are looking at traffic blockade and also disrupting the movement of the vehicles in the area. Commuters are facing delays and also affected stretch that still remains partially obstructed. Now, the motorists have been advised to avoid the road and use alternate roads where possible, and also expect congestion until the civic authorities clear the fallen tree and restore normal traffic flow. Pictures that have been coming in from Gurgaon as well, or Gurugram as we say now, and there has been kilometers long traffic congestion that had been reported because of heavy rainfall and waterlogging. And of course, when it comes to private companies that have been announcing and advising people to work from home now. Let's connect with Sabyasachi on this. Sabyasachi, it's still raining as we speak, and IMD has issued another alert for the next 12 hours. And again, when we speak of different cities, the stories, however, remain the same. What's happened in east of Kailash?
Well, that's right. See, it has been continuously pouring in the national capital since yesterday, since Wednesday afternoon, and today morning also continuous rain is being witnessed in the Delhi NCR region. Now, one of the tree have fallen in the greater east of Kailash area. Now, that has caused a lot of traffic problem for the commuters. Meanwhile, right now I'm reporting from the Minto Bridge, which is one of the notorious choke point during the monsoon in the national capital. But what has changed from the old days is that under the Minto Bridge there is no water logging, and the traffic flow here in central Delhi is normal. Yes, the commuters has been advised to plan their journey properly to avoid the low-lying areas in the national capital, because there have been reports of water logging in some parts of the national capital, like the New Delhi railway station and the Munirka area. But the IMD has issued an orange alert for the national capital, and they have said that it's going to be intermittent heavy rainfall throughout the day today.
Right. So when we speak of Minto Bridge, as Sabyasachi is getting the pictures, unfortunately, it was labeled as often when we see during heavy rains in Delhi. Buses used to be submerged almost completely in that very area. Now you can see that the vehicular movement for now seems to be smooth. But yes, when we speak of infrastructure problems there, let's also talk about what's happening in Pune. Sabya, thank you very much for the moment. But we also have a report that has now been coming in, of course, when it comes to rain-related issues that are now being reported across the country.
Delhi NCR received relief from sticky and humid heat as heavy rains continued from Wednesday afternoon to Thursday morning. Right now we are reporting from ITO, and the rain is continuing in the national capital region, and the IMD has issued an orange alert for the national capital, warning of intermittent heavy downpours throughout the day, and waterlogging has been reported at New Delhi railway station and Munirka. Now, the minimum temperature was recorded at 25.8 degrees Celsius around 2:30 a.m. on Thursday amid calm winds, and the IMD also issued a red warning for thunderstorm. Meanwhile, the commuters across the Delhi NCR region has been asked to plan their travel accordingly and avoid the low-lying areas or waterlogging stretch in the Delhi NCR region.
Well, let's talk about, the status update coming in from Maharashtra. Maharashtra has been receiving exceedingly over the normal amount of rainfall that it usually receives. But rescue teams that are now racing against time in Pune after a building collapse that left several people trapped under the debris. Now you can see pictures that have been coming in with the NDRF along with local agencies that have been pressed into service for the round-the-clock rescue operation, and 9 people so far have been pulled out alive, while the search operations continue amid for those who are still feared to be trapped under the debris. Let's connect with Paras on this. Paras, this is another tragedy. We have seen a similar one happening in Maharashtra as far as in Mumbai is also concerned, and now we are getting pictures coming in from Pune. It's different cities with the same stories again here.
Rightly said, different city, but same story. This is a very sad situation in Maharashtra because this is not the first time this type of situation has occurred, and people have been trapped inside this type of structures. Right now, the situation at Pune Pimpri Chinchwad is very much different because now NDRF has taken over the rescue operation, where NDRF has a total number of 9 rescued till now. Total number of 9 has been rescued, and 2 to 3 more are suspected to be trapped inside the structure till now. In preliminary report, as per NDRF, it has happened because of the dump pressure over here where there was this building. There is a dumping ground also, and because of this dumping ground of dumping pressure, this incident has happened. So 2 to 3 more people are suspected to be trapped. Still, NDRF team is operating the rescue operation, and till afternoon the rescue operation will be over as soon as they rescue more 2 to 3 people who are suspected to be trapped inside.
But when we speak of the IMD alerts that still continue even for today being the 9th of July, Paras, we are still getting information, and the Chief Minister has been saying that despite the delayed monsoons, more than the usual rainfall that was received by the state has now been received in a couple of days.
Rightly said, this is a very important part of this entire situation because monsoon was delayed by more than 20 to 25 days in Mumbai and Maharashtra. Still, after the arrival of monsoon in Maharashtra, it has been raining very heavily in parts of Maharashtra. We have seen the situation in Vasai Virar, Nalasopara, Naigaon and Palghar district. We have seen continuous pouring down of rain in Pune and the different parts of the cities of Maharashtra, and it will be continued for some more days. And today forecast has been also been saying that it will be raining heavy to heavier in some parts of Maharashtra. So it will be very important to see how government and the administration will work out on this thing.
So alerts for Mumbai, Thane, Raigad, especially when it comes to coastal zones. We are looking at Maharashtra that the IMD continues to upgrade with its alert there amid peak monsoons that we are now looking at in Maharashtra and adjoining areas. Thank you, Paras.